My name is Megaw. I do investor relations for Reyna Silver. Our ticker symbol in the TSX is RSLV, and our ticker symbol on the OTC is RSNVF. Reyna Silver is a company that came along based off of the philosophy that you want to go after high-grade district-scale deposits. The idea being that you want to find something that's high enough grade, high enough margin that it can make money when silver's at your worst possible nightmare, and you can party all night when silver's at whatever dreams are made of, and big enough that it can last multiple market cycles. So we use that as our lens and our guiding principle for how we go out and explore. So we're looking for something that will make a serious dent in the market. We're really lucky at Reyna Silver to actually have 3 projects that have serious potential. We've got 2 in Chihuahua, Batapilas and Gigi. These actually were part of Mag Silver's IPO, you know, the little tiny silver company that's had some success. And the 3rd project is Medicine Springs in Nevada. Batapilas is historically Mexico's highest grade silver district. It's actually a native silver district. That's what they were mining, was pure silver. So absolutely dreamy. The other project in Chihuahua, Gigi, is at the heart of the Santa Eulalia district, which is one of the world's largest carbonate replacement deposits, which is a focus for us. And you're talking about a district that produced 500 million ounces of silver. And from what we know studying these systems worldwide, it just came from half of the carbonate replacement deposit spectrum. So the question is, where's the source? Where's the proximal mineralization? And how much bigger is this system? And then our other project is Medicine Springs up in Nevada, and that's where we think we have an entirely intact carbonate replacement deposit. I think we've got the whole thing. And so we'll be drilling there this fall and see if we're right. So, the last 12 months, it's been really exciting working for this company. I actually did my first ever conference and started working for Reyna at this conference last year when we talked. And since then, at Batapilas, we've discovered a gold zone up in the northeast. So we're talking historically one of the highest grade silver districts in the world. And we said, okay, we know that there's high grade silver in the historic district. How much bigger does this thing get? We went up to the northeast and we found gold. And mind you, this is a place where the Spanish came in looking for gold. They found native silver and outcrop, and they went, okay, I guess we'll settle for that. And we're the silver exploration company coming in, and we've found this absolute gold zone. And I realize that this is a silver symposium, so we're supposed to focus on silver, but I think it's a Hollywood problem if you also get to talk about gold as well. And because the gold and the silver overlap, they use the same structures, we have the potential to leverage that gold mineralization to find more silver mineralization and vice versa. Our other project, Gigi, we discovered in the fall last year this new intrusive. So our goal there is to look for the source of the system. We're getting closer. We found something that's essentially the hot rock that's associated with these systems. It's not the source, and we can tell that because it's actually mineralized, beautifully zoned. We're a district scale explorer, so we wanted to see how much bigger the system is, what the zoning is, and how we can vector back towards what we're looking for. So we did big step outs in the spring. We went 650 meters to the north, 770 meters to the northeast, and over a kilometer out to the east, as well as an additional hole near 28. All 4 of those hit additional mineralization of the same kind, giving us this huge footprint. And the exciting part for us as well, moving forward, is that 400 to 700 meters above that, we found these structures called feeder bleeder structures. So they're what are used in carbonate replacement deposits worldwide to move towards those high-grade ore bodies that make carbonate replacement deposits, in particular something like the Santa Eulalia district where Gigi is so famous. So looking forward to doing some holes in the future where we killed two birds with one stone, looking for those upper level structures and that source mineralization as well. And then our third project is Medicine Springs. That came online this last year. We did this big jasperoid study. Jasperoids are essentially the exhaust coming off these systems from depth, and they provide you with a window to peer into what's going on down there because you can't see. Because Medicine Springs has these beautifully structurally controlled ripping jasperoids through it, we went, okay, let's test it and see if we can use that to be really strategic with how we go forward with our drilling. And what we got is what my father considers to be one of the best jasperoid studies he's ever seen. Gorgeous copper, lead, zinc, silver zoning. It's like a bullseye, and it's telling us, yeah, we want to see what's going on underneath there. And so we're looking forward to drill there this fall. Coming up here real soon in the fall, we're going to be drilling at Medicine Springs. And we're really excited to take that data that we got from the Jasperoid Selective Sampling Survey and putting it together, creating really strategic drill holes, and seeing whether or not we're right. And there's a big carbonate replacement deposit lurking underneath the rocks there. So that one's really exciting. And then at Badapilis, we took that whole brand new aspect of gold showing up in this district, and we've brought in a structural geologist. We're doing a big geophysics survey, a big selective sampling survey, so we can figure out, whoa, what's going on with this gold? How can we use it? And we'll be finishing up that 10,000 meter drilling campaign there and having results this calendar year. And then at Gigi, which is the project in the Santa Eulalia district, we'll be taking that information with those upper level structures that we were seeing, those feeder bleeders, and continuing to look for the source. We're going to put together strategic drill holes that kill two birds with one stone, looking for those upper level structures as well as looking for the source, and see whether or not we can knock it out of the park. Well, with any junior company, the value in these companies is discovery driven. So hopefully we're right on at least one of our three projects. Maybe we're lucky and we're right on all three of them, and we're able to really move forward our understanding of these districts, and maybe we find something big. It's a hard marketplace at the moment, as we're all aware. But I think we have the benefit of, because we use the internal filter of focusing on high grade, on focusing on something big, on being a part of a big long-term play, because of markets like what we're currently in, hopefully investors can look at us and say, yeah, that's the kind of company that I want to get into while they're on super sale.